Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Clark, the Center for Hormone Health and Wellness. And I want to talk a little bit about estrogen levels in men. Now, we typically think, hey, man, we're talking about testosterone, right? But what about estrogen in men? Is it something we should be aware of, something that we should be concerned of? And the answer is yes. Typically, we talk about testosterone. Yep, as we age in men, our testosterone levels slowly fall. But estrogen is also an important hormone. Not so much that we need to supplement estrogen in men, but we need to actually keep an eye on it so it doesn't actually rise. Now, why would that happen? Typically, as men, we don't, the testicles make testosterone. They don't actually make a bunch of estrogen. So where does the estrogen come from? So as testosterone breaks down, some of it breaks down to estrogen. When we're fairly young, we do this very efficiently. And subsequently, then we have good levels of testosterone and we have fairly low levels of estrogen. And you want to see that ratio, the estrogen, only about 5% or less of what the testosterone levels are. Well, what happens as we age? As we age, our testosterone levels slowly start coming down. And for men, this can happen anytime in the mid 30s to literally any age out beyond that. So typically our testosterone levels start coming down, but what tends to happen as we age, a larger percentage of that testosterone may be converted to estrogen. So as our testosterone levels are coming down, we may find the estrogen levels actually going up somewhat. Why is that important? Because once that ratio gets thrown out of whack, we just don't feel well. Subsequently, then we may feel like, hey, we're feeling a little older, we're feeling run down, we have less energy, less sexual desire. All these things happen. And it may be your testosterone levels fine, but estrogen levels have started to drift up. So therefore, when we talk about men and estrogen, you don't want estrogen levels zero, but you don't want estrogen levels real high. Once estrogen levels go up fairly high, what I again like to look for is about 5% or less of the actual testosterone level. So if your testosterone level was 1,000, we'd like to see your estrogen level, then probably less than 50, but I don't want to see it zero. This keeps us in that right range. Once estrogen levels get too high, subsequently we'll get more emotional. We'll feel like that we're beyond our prime. And subsequently, it is important to kind of keep an eye on those things. And just like I mentioned, we don't want estrogen levels zero, because if we were to, and there are ways to block the estrogen down literally to almost zero, but you don't want your estrogen levels non-existent, because we tend to be a little more edgy, and subsequently then the testosterone levels, that's where some of the misconception of testosterone causing some either anxiety. Testosterone tends to mellow people, or kind of that steroid rage type of things. So maybe actually estrogen levels are too low. Okay. So we'll have more information coming. If you have questions, just give us a yell here at the Center for Weight Loss Success. Email success@cfws.com, or the phone number at the Hormone Health and Wellness is 757-223-0940. All right, we'll be talking again soon. Take care. Have a great day.